Just got a package. Yeah, I can see BMR suspension. Alright, so I did order springs and they finally came in, I guess. I got this cool sticker. I don't know. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and show y'all these springs. So, alright. So I did get the BMR springs. They're the drag springs, and then I also have the lower control arms. So yeah, I did get the BMR drag springs, which are here, the front and the rear. They're in there, you know. You see? Yeah. So yeah, I did get the front and the rear BMR drag springs, and then I did get I already had the lower control arms, so I'm gonna go ahead and be installing that today, and the springs. So I'm gonna go ahead and go to I'm gonna go ahead and go to Strict Motorsports and get them installed in a bit. So I'm gonna go around 7 right now. It's like around 5:30 around there, so I'm just gonna wait for a bit. But yeah, I'm just gonna get these two things installed, and I'm gonna go ahead and drop it off. Probably be there for a little while. I don't know, who knows. But yeah, so I'll go ahead and pick up the camera once it's already getting installed, once my car's up or whatever. And I'll update y'all once I get over there. Look at that gap. Alright guys, so they're about to start on it. What's funny? So yeah, the springs going on the car, lower control arms, and that's about it. Gonna get rid of the ugly gap. Hopefully finally can hit a 12. They were finishing up that car right there. But yeah, so pretty much I'll update y'all once it's already finishing up. Alright, so right now I'm taking over the camera for a bit. Mark came to pump some gas. You already know. A little corn action. And yeah, we just came back from the shop. Tires are a little crusty, but you can tell the difference already. Tell the difference. And
Why you gonna do me like that?
yeah, guys. You can totally tell the difference in the front as well. See, I had 4 fingers before, and now not even 3 can fit. Wow. Give him the smoke. Yep. Here.
I literally just pumped last night. Literally.
Yeah, but you know, things happen. And yeah. Alright guys, so this is how the car looks right now. The car's kind of dirty, but that's how it looks. I like the way it came out. Not too low. It's like a 2-finger gap, which is fine with me. The front is a bit lower, of course. It's like 1. But yeah, I am pumping some 85 right now. You already know. Texas 2K 20. March. You already know. I requested days off. Bro. I requested my days off. All week.
Oh, cutting out water.
Just pumping some 85.
It's a little crusty.
Yeah, I know, I need to wash it. Definitely need to wash it. But yeah, overall happy with the way the car came out. I'll go ahead and put a before picture right now. But yeah, the car does ride smooth, right? It's a lot stiffer, so like every time I hit a bump, it's not as bouncy. All right, guys, so we are washing the cars right now, getting ready for the track tomorrow. Chris, what do you think you're gonna run tomorrow?
Hopefully 13-0.
Bitch. So he's on the full set of welds. I'm gonna run my car tomorrow also, but that's gonna be a different video. I'll film all of us, and George over there gonna run his car too. So yeah, we're just washing the cars, getting ready for tomorrow. Tomorrow I'm gonna put my race stars on. But yeah, there's like, I like the way the springs came out. There's not really a gap, barely. So yeah, I'm gonna finish up drying my car, washing my car, and then I'll go ahead and pick the camera, show y'all how it looks after. All right, guys, so this is finished product. Pretty clean. Gonna change those out tomorrow. Chris on the full welds, Eco Boost. Then we got George's car over here, still dirty. My car is looking clean. Chris' car is looking clean. What? But yeah, guys, so we're ready for tomorrow. I just need to change the rears, and then I'm gonna end this video here, and then I'll go ahead and shoot another video. Kind of looks purple and blue. But yeah, I'm gonna end this video here, go ahead and shoot another video for when we go to the track. So if you're new to the channel, subscribe, like, leave a comment. But yeah, other than that, we're Mark and I'm out. Peace.